Hello everyone. To start with this demo video on the product, I would like to highlight the major problem faced by any business organization these days. That is, the right resource with the right skill at the right time. Now this defines the problem in itself. An organization sufficing to any business requirement should have the correct resource with the correct skills. To achieve the same, we, the people of itellligence, have eased the work by developing this product, the resume database. The employees of the organization can build and update their resumes in this database. This tool supports multiple languages like SAP. This tool is developed using the most popular technologies like Spring, Hibernate and SAP HANA. Now as we log in into the resume database, we get the login page which would ask the users to fill in their necessary login information. That is the company name, the user ID, the password and the language. For me, the company name, the user ID, the password and the language would be English. As I log in, this is the home page. Now this resume database is a user role specific product. An admin has all the access and can see the overview of all the resumes present in the database. To explore more on this product, we have logged in with the admin authorized user. The first thing we see after logging in is the dashboard, which shows the percentage-wise distribution of all the skills and competencies present in any organization. The percentage denotes the number of employees under any particular skill. We have also added a 3-level detailed drill down feature for all the competencies listed in this dashboard. Now this dashboard can be customized based on any organization's skills present in any organization. Now as we are a company which works with SAP only, so our dashboard is divided broadly under these 4 categories: SAP Technical, Analytics, SAP Functional and Support Groups. Now let's say we want to go into a detailed version for SAP Technical. I would click on this tab, which takes me further inside and gives me a detail about the technical features present like ABAP, Fiori and Java. Even more detailed version will give me more technical knowledge and will let me know all the competencies which the people have under ABAP. It also has a listed chart which will show the competency along with the years of experience. Now moving on to the next tab is the Resumes tab, which has available resumes and archived resumes. Now as I already mentioned that this tool is completely role specific, so an admin can see all the available resumes of the entire organization, whereas a manager can see all those resumes of all the employees who come under his or her span of control, and an employee can just see his or her own resume. Now we also feature some beautiful options out over here, which you can see is update, to print your resume, to copy your resume and to inactive any resume present over here. Now if you are inactivating a resume present over here, it goes into the archived resumes folder. Now we can also build a new resume out here. We just click on this build new resume. We give a sample resume name, let's say test resume, save it. Now as we save it, we search it over here and we see the test resume which was created by the employee name. We have the creation date and we have the last modified date. Now I have to update my resume, so I would go to the update option, which gives me all the fields and information to be filled in it. As you see, the resume title, the role, which specifies the roles mentioned in your organization, your years of industry experiences, your full cycle implementations, languages, your address, your contact information, all the competencies present. If it is not listed out here, you can reach out to your admin to add it, which I would let you know in a furthermore part, which would be under the master tab. And you have a client experience. If it is not there, we can add a project over here. We have other experiences as well. Prior to your company you're working in, you can fill in those details and the educational details. Now, as you can see a search tab over here. Now this is one thing which is very interesting. It is a Google-like search. Now let's say we want a person of our organization who is skilled in ABAP. Now I would just type ABAP and search on it. Now any resume which would be having the word termed as ABAP would be listed out here under the resume title with the user names. This is as easy as it looks. The name you want, you just type it over here and you get everything. Now moving on to the Manage tab, we have users, archived users, master data and the email content. Now specifically this Manage tab is only for the admin. Okay, so he can add users and remove users based on the resumes that want to be incorporated into this database. Now the users which are inactive are the archived users. We go into the master data tab, which I just showed you how to create your database for a resume. You see all the competencies, the roles, the client names, the industries, the certifications, the SAP areas and the languages mentioned over here, and whichever is not present we have an option to add the same. The last but not the least is the Reports tab, wherein we have login activity, which is again admin specific, which has the right to see who has logged in for what time till what time. Then we have this creative option, which is Advanced Resume Search. Now this is something very interesting because it has filter type search option, wherein you have the list of competencies. If you want to search on any, you have the certifications, you have the industries and you have the roles. Now it becomes very easy for a person to select one and to go further to find the same resume. Again, we have search employee option, wherein you can type the name of the manager or the employee himself and you can find the resume out there. Now I hope this video would have helped you understand our tool very impressively. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much.